Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to change the home page. So we have to go into our settings menu and then we have to click on this reading option. Then you can see reading settings. Your home page displays your static page. If you want your latest posts. If you want to show on your home page some posts or latest posts, you can select this one. Or if you want to choose a static page, then you have to click on this button and choose your home page from this menu, drop down menu. So you can also choose your post page from these drop down pages or menu. And blog posts, the blog pages show at most 10 posts. Syndication feeds show the most recent 10 items. For each post in a feed, include full text or excerpt. You can choose one of them. Your theme determines how content is displayed in browsers. Search engine visibility discourages search engines from indexing this site. It is up to search engine to honor this request. Then you have to click on this save changes. And when you see your home page, your like I'm going to change my home page's card page. Then 1 second, let me refresh this page. I have choose this card page. Then I'm going to click on the save changes button. Then let us see how our home page looks like. Yes, you can see this is the card page. Actually right now I have not choose any product in my cart. So basically this is the cart page. So like this way you can choose your home page, static home page. If I want to change my home page again, then I have to choose from here. Thank you.